Good day, Kabarangay. And today I would like to share with you a Latin expression. It says, Carpe diem. Ibig sabihin, seize the day, own the day. Ibig sabihin, move. Do not be do not be comfortable in your comfort zone because comfortable zone spells disaster. It will give you a sure way to fail. Ang ang success kasi walang guarantee na there's no guarantee na kahit magsisipag ka, ikaw ay maging matagumpay. Subalit, mas sigurado na ikaw ay magugutom kung ikaw ay tatamad-tamad. Yun lang po. Bye-bye.